We're back again with another video. My name is Frank Rossi. And I just have to come on here before this video starts and say I just made the longest journey of my life to this climbing gym. I'm not gonna lie, it was the scariest thing I've done to date on this little thing. I chose this life though. I hate waiting in traffic, so it's okay. 29-mile ride from where I live. So the bike is literally on fire right now, but we made it safely and we're here at the legendary Boulder-dash indoor rock climbing gym. I have my friend Alec who just pulled up. We're gonna go climbing today, do the big walls for you guys. I haven't done that yet on this series, so I'm excited to show you guys my skills on the big walls. And yeah, I definitely got to stretch out after that ride because holy Alec, what the holy what kind of smoothie is this? This is amazing. Healthy Greens. Shout out Healthy Greens. Shout out to Alec. Thank you for this. Local small business. Support your local small businesses out here. Gotta do what you gotta do. This is Alec, everybody.
Hey guys.
What a freaking legend. Thank you for inviting me today. I appreciate it. Actually, wait, before we go in, real quick, let me do a taste test. Let's see what it's talking about. All right, Healthy Greens. Damn. Thank you, Alec. Much needed. Like for real. Cheers. Just passed my belay test. Got my harness on. Boulder-dash. Hello, hello, big walls. It's like there's chalk in the air here. Is it one of your safe spaces?
Yeah, truly relaxing.
I bet. I like the pads here. They're so soft.
They're also, which is fun, is that girl, there's like 4 or 5 others here that are all sober. This is
sober.
Like their activity that they started to do.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Sober gang out here. That's really, really cool.
You're doing that one today?
Okay. Look at all these walls.
You want a 10A?
10A.
Okay, that's 10C. No, you can do this 10B.
10B. Say less. Let me set up. All right, guys.
Wondering if it's gonna be like, I feel like it's not gonna, it's easy for you. You can boulder. I can't boulder. I can't even start. Sit starts, I'm like.
This yellow is like nice. It's good, like little small hole. It's crimpy.
I feel like you like.
Should be good.
That one will be easy for you, 10D. Yeah, that 11A, easy for you. How long have you been sober now?
It's like day 20 something, 20, like very, very recent still, but.
Is it hard?
It's not hard. The hardest part now is like facing all the that's been coming up. I was trying to explain that to my friend today. Like, I think because I replaced my vices with something productive right away, it was a lot easier to just realize that I can't do it anymore, because if I do, then I won't be able to keep up. But now it's like the other stuff's coming up, and that's way harder.
Was your like personality different from smoking?
Yeah, like some people, I guess, are just like their hormones don't really vibe when they're stoned all day long, and I think I was one of those people that just became cold. I became distant from the people that I love, my family, pretty much any relationship. Anyone that got too close to me, I would sabotage it unknowingly, but like I would act to myself like I wasn't trying to f it up, but when I look back on it, it's like all I was doing was just sabotaging all of those relationships and all of those things.
One of the highlights of me becoming sober is my relationship with my parents.
It's way better?
Crazy. Because I had to be like so low. And like it's such a weird place and like that kind of stuff, and I hid it from them forever. So I was like lying to them from 2,000 miles away.
Oh, that's intense.
Then they found everything out.
And they're like, hold up.
I'm like on the way to detox, I'm getting up over there, and I was like, well, and yeah.
That's like a whole different thing.
Whole different thing. And now we're just like tight, just because I don't have to force anything, I don't have to keep up a lie, I don't have to pretend to not be up, like.
You can just be yourself.
It's easy.
That's really cool. Is it like now you guys like talk almost daily?
Yeah.
So sick.
Like the whole way here I was on the phone with my mom.
Really?
And my mom and my dad are in bed and just like talking about like my frustrations. My dad is like a genius, so he's just like giving me advice and what he would do, and I'm like, I didn't know that was an option. So forever learning from him, but just like that closeness, like I felt like I was in the room with them just like hanging out and like getting advice from my parents again.
That's amazing.
Missing my brother. Don't get me started about my mother or any other family member of mine. We're under these covers. Don't sell my love to any other. There isn't many people came as tried. Tell it to lovers, y'all got it made. I'll be damned if you run it away from everything that makes you feel alive.
That was a good one though. I like the crimpiness. That was awesome. Thank you for the suggestion.
Easy.
Easy. All right, we're back again with a 10D. Feeling a little bit more warm now. What was your like drink of choice when you were?
Again, like not embarrassing, more so funny. So when I would be at work at the club, tequila, Casamigos, before everyone was like raving about it. It was just easy, and I could drink a lot of it. If I was ever out, it was always tequila. Home or like pool parties, house parties, anything. New Amsterdam peach vodka.
Really? That was your thing?
That was my thing.
Gotta read it a little bit. Those are interesting. Those big.
What are those candies called? You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah.
Jelly something. Gumby beans.
Oh yeah, jelly or something like that. I forget the name, but I know exactly what you're talking about.
Straightforward.
Oh, bad impressions. Just like my father, he teach me lessons. All about how to save a life. All about how to save a life. Come on. Buddy, there's no saving me here. Buckle up, I'm praying for care. I'm an addict, this isn't fair. There's too many factors here to dare, but we'll be alright. We'll be alright.
So it's fun that he's up there because I feel like people don't hear this enough when they're going on their like own journeys in life. But I'm proud of you, and a lot of people are proud of you. Gotcha.
Yay!
Just keep doing what you're doing.
Woohoo!
Motivational commentary on the way up.
You did?
Yeah.
I needed it.
11? No. Well,
11A?
yeah.
Okay.
This one's fine. 11A.
11A.
Piping hot.
Oh, yeah, that's good stuff right there. I feel.
Are you pumped? You feel good?
Yeah, I feel good. Just gonna read it for a sec.
This one's, you're gonna cruise it, but it's fine.
Oh yeah, that's a vibe. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good climb. Whoever said this is a beast.
Mikey.
Okay, Mikey. Shout out to you, man.
We love Mikey.
I've always been the one to fall in love with a loaded gun. I'm always on the run, my bad for falling out of love. I'll never be enough for all the toxic people out of touch. Life goes on, just like the rivers where I was born. You're keeping me warm, maybe we won't face another solo storm. So let's keep going. I'm mad in love, but I won't show it. Never got a grip on how to believe. Never got a grip on how to believe.
Got you.
Woo! Okay, guys, we're feeling good. I'm stuck. Cruise
It's
it.
crazy because I go up it on the left side.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Totally opposite way. Weird. I probably read it wrong.
No, I think you did it the right way. I 90% of the time do things the wrong way.
Do you ever miss like the chaos?
All the time.
When it's like your thing for so long, it becomes just easy.
It's easy. Even when I go out now, I want chaos.
You
I'm
want
ready
something
for it.
crazy.
I'm ready for the craziness. I always am like, I always DD everyone. Because I'm like, I want to be a part of the craziness. Like, you guys can drink for me. I'll take you home so you don't have to get an Uber, but get wild.
Just so you can feel like a little bit of it, yeah.
I'm in the club with my water and my wine. I'm like, you want a shot? I feel like you need to take one thing that's like weighing heavy on you and leave it at the bottom.
Okay.
And then when you get to the top, that shit's gone. You don't have to tell us, just
Let it off. There's a lot of things that are coming up right now.
it can be more than one.
All right, let it go. Let it go.
God help me. I can't see over the edge. Girl, find me. I need somebody else. Baby, I can't find no home. Hope is more expensive than going alone. There's too many lessons on this list that I didn't learn from you. There's too many people showing up that don't got love for you. They're claiming not enough to go around. Well, mommy give me pesos. Starving on the pavement, but she prime from Bezos. You really think they're rooting for us in the gutter? Trials and tribulations about what it was while I'm running from myself. No more places to hide, baby, I'll be alright. Cause I'll be sacrificing anything that they need from me. She's trying to set me up, but I'll go gracefully. Leave some space for me in the dirt next to you.
Not a gimme. Woo! 11B in the books.
Took me about triple the time, but it's cool. It's whatever.
I let it go
Now
though.
you know.
What about a C? I want to fall. I think I found my maker. It's 11C right here. Look at these.
You're gonna cruise it.
No.
Best friend said I had it coming to me, baby, I won't last. We've been bringing up everything, even her past. We've been rolling up, smoking, put it all behind you, have you leaving open? Lightning in a bottle ain't gon' save me from the shock. Lately she's been full throttle, I can't find the brakes to stop. My shady love, I can't go outside with you. I don't want nothing to do with anything but.
Gotcha. Easy.
Come on. I was hoping to fall.
I think we could just go to 12.
Just go up to 12?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, we got another flash in the books. Nice C, 11C. Let's do a 11D or
12B, baby.
12B life. Let's see my reckoning happen.
Get a little read. He's gonna be fine. He's gonna flash it.
Boom, boom, boom. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Okay. This is gonna be insane. I'm like looking at it now like, oh, okay. I have met my maker.
He's gonna flash it. Ridiculous.
That bitch got some superpowers. Give me all you got. Tell me I'm the worst ever, even though I'm not. Baby, it could all get better if you tell me you want me to ride. Matter of fact, I don't give a fuck. You could keep all of that, cause I know wonder is a woman that I choose to know. Hopeless as a deity. Oh, the lengths we go. It won't ever be enough for me. You got me loaded up just like ecstasy. I took another one. Want me to believe that I won't be the one to love you. Left me in memo. I feel amazing when you tell me honestly. Honest things don't have a hard time believing.
You're gonna get stuck. Frank, you're gonna get stuck.
You said it all to me, I smoke it down, I'll pay my dues. I took too many of these losses for you to tell me I'm not true.
Flash, 12B.
We got it.
12B.
Flashed him. Holy shit. Damn. Damn.
Gnarly.
Gnarly.
That's sick.
Holy shit. Boulder-dash. Come on. Flash
I knew you
me.
were going to.
When it got caught on the loop too, I was just waiting for it to
I'm like this.
That was like seriously clutch because I was about to drop. Like right when I felt it go, I was like, oh,
Yeah.
thank God.
Good fit.
That's so epic. Oh my God.
I did that too.
Oh God, you did. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you need to be lead climbing.
12B flash.
Ridiculous.
What the
There may be 113 here.
Let's try to find it. Might as well.
Frank's flashing 12Bs, so we need to.
I don't even think I can find a higher grade. I don't think there is any.
Oh yeah.
I literally just think I did the hardest one.
For him. He doesn't even top rope. Just flashed a 12B. I'm like, okay.
Guys, there's nothing harder. That's the hardest it gets.
That was it.
That's all she wrote.
It's been good. It's been fun.
It's been real.
Never coming back here again. Frank's like, cool. Next gym.
Oh my God. What the hell?
So now that this wasn't challenging at all, and
It was challenging.
Frank
Just didn't fall.
climbed the hardest climb in the gym and flashed it
Oh my
in
God.
approximately 45 seconds. When are you going to get lead certified?
I'm going to get lead certified soon. I have to come back and take the class with. You can be there if you want.
Lead
Just-
climbing is challenging. Maybe not for him.
It is. It's the hardest type of climbing besides free soloing, I think, in my opinion.
Do you want a free solo?
I have done a high ball or two.
Yeah, you're crazy. I think, yeah, we do lead and then outside. Point doom first, maybe.
Okay. Yeah.
Good
Get
top
a
rope.
little run up,
All right.
chilling.
Easy peas.
We'll be out in Point Doom soon, guys. Maybe a Joshua tree too.
Joshua,
Check out some serious outdoor stuff.
13 A's.
But it was really good today just to come into Boulder-dash, experience a new gym, big walls. Haven't done that yet in this series. And I want to thank you, Alec, for inviting me. It was such
You're
a pleasure to talk with you and just connect on the fact that we're both sober and we're both still. I mean, you're not struggling so much, but I am going through it, so it's
I'm
nice.
chilling, yo. It's
So-
been 14 months.
It's f***ing amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get to that in my own sobriety journey, and like you inspire me to keep going. And just like knowing that you've been through hard things, probably harder than I have, and having to deal with a lot of stuff is like it gives me hope that I can overcome what I've been through and my addictions as well. So thank you. I appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below. Subscribe for tomorrow's video. Keep it rolling, keep it pushing, and we'll see Alec again soon for sure. Love you guys. Peace.
I pay my dues. I took too many of these losses for you.